Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how we can use the camera control in Power App Canvas app. The camera control in Power App is used to capture images directly from the device camera, such as mobile or laptop camera. It is useful in scenarios like capturing proof images, taking photos of document, field inspection apps, attendance or verification app. So this is our blank canvas app. First go to the insert, search as camera. So click on that. So camera control is visible in the app. So select this camera control and change the property to display mode. Remove the existing one and add this formula variable display mode. Here variable display mode is a variable that will control whether the camera is enabled or disabled. Now I want to insert two buttons. Now I will change the text of these buttons. First button text will be on and second button text will be off. Now click on the on button, go to the on select property, remove the existing formula and add. This formula set the camera to edit mode, which means the camera will turn on and allow capturing image. Now click on the off button, go to the on select property and add this formula. This formula disable the camera. So when I click on off button, the camera is off. Now let's preview the app. When I click on button, the camera is turned on, and when I click off button, the camera is turned off. So in this video we learned how to use the camera control in Power App, Canvas app and how to control it using button and variable.